Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we are Eagle Reserve in Fort Myers. Let me show you the map so you can see where it's located. Okay, this is it. Okay, we're right in front of a Dockside model from Pullet Homes. It's a beautiful model. From what I hear, a lot of people really like this layout. It's one of the ones that they sell the most here. Okay, it's beautiful. The reason why I'm so in front of a property is because I'm showing you the models, and you can see you have this little fence here that kind of may restrict me to give you a view from far. But let me tell you a little bit. Like, this is this is a sales office here. That's the double car garage there, and then you have another spare garage over here. So this is a 3-car garage home. Okay, and they also have 2 more models here that I'll be doing video shortly. So if you would like to see all these models, just feel free to subscribe. And I put all of my homes on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So you subscribe and you get notification when I put it in. Okay, so let me not take more of your time. Let me show you this beautiful Dockside model home. Okay, it's very beautifully decorated. Okay, it's approximately 2,700 square feet, give or take. And let's come in. As you come in, you're greeted with this nice 8-foot door. All the doors inside here are all 8-foot doors, so it's very nice. Check out how beautiful decorated it is. Okay, we're gonna come first to this first bedroom. Let me get over here. Check out the 8-foot door for the closet. Stand over here in the corner so you have an idea of the room. And also you have all these cam lights, you know, LED cam lights, and you have that light in the middle of the room that you could put a fan there if you want. Okay, let's keep going. Also here you see all the cam lights. It's very nice, very bright house. You have plenty of closet. There's one closet there, another closet there in the corner, and here is your guest bathroom. Actually, restroom says a restroom side there. It goes up into the public bathroom. I'm sorry. And you got this nice granite, and over here you got your tub, and there's your shower head right here. Very beautiful tile work. And over here is your toilet. Very nice. Okay, let's keep going. Now when we make a right here, we show up into this humongous dining room. Check out the size of this room. It's a very spacious house. I mean, if you're looking for something spacious, this is spacious. To entertain, it's a great home. Okay, now over here, you have a flex room. Yeah, it's being used as a den now, but you could use it as anything that you want. You can make it into a spare room or whatever. That's why it's a flex room. And let me show you the crown molding. Very beautiful. Okay, let's move over here back to the dining. Check out this dining room. It is a humongous dining room. Check it out. Very spacious. Okay, now we're gonna take a look over here. Over there on the back, that's the kitchen. We're gonna get that later. And over here you got the living room. Very nice and spacious too. Check it out. Okay, so now let's first take a good look over here at the master bedroom. As you can see, it's very big. Okay, you have a little lounge area here for you to sit down and read your paper in the morning. Very nice, plenty of space. And what's amazing, what makes it beautiful, check out the comfort ceiling. Very nice. Okay, now let's take a look at the master bathroom. See, the bathroom has a pocket door right here. So you could lock it up right here. And then coming to this humongous shower. Check out the shower. And over here's your handle. And you have that glass over it, the side here. Very nice. Let me move back here a little bit so I can show you the double sink. Check out the double sink. And lighting. Oh, very nice. What is really nice is also this closet. When you can get to the closet over here, you got your water closet. Okay, sorry the lights is out. And over here you have the humongous closet. Check this out. Okay. All right, you got this side, and you got the same thing on this other side. I'm sorry the light is out. One of the light bulbs is out too. Okay, so you got a really nice closet here. Okay, give you another look of the vanity. Very nice. And another look of the master bedroom. Stand in the corner. As you can see out the window, you have a preserve outside. This community offers you lots with a preserved view and also lakes. So I'm gonna do a video driving around the community so you have an idea what the community looks like. So remember to subscribe. Okay. Over here we're back in the living room. Very nice. Okay, before we get to the kitchen, I want to do this room back here. Okay. Okay, this room here, you got your AC right here. 4 tons. This is like the mud room. It's like a little mud area. So when you come out of the garage, you put all your, if it's raining, you can put all your umbrella, all your stuff there. And then over here, you got the other room. Very nice. Let me show you over here so you get an idea of the size. Got the ceiling. Nice closet. And this room also comes with a bathroom. So you have your bathroom right here. Very nice. You got your shower. Very, very nice. Okay. So you can see, now you know why so many people like this model. It's very spacious and very nice. Okay, now let's do the kitchen. See, the kitchen in the Highlands has cabinets. See over here, you can see they have 3 bar stools in front of the island. It's very spacious there. You have your stainless steel Whirlpool refrigerator, and you got plenty of cabinets. Okay, over there you have your double stack oven from Whirlpool too, and your nice range over here. Okay, and I can tell you that the cabinets are very nice quality. You can see that they're made out of wood, and they got the soft stop, very nice. You got your stainless steel sink right here, and your nice faucet, goose head. And one thing that really catch my eyes here is the size of this pantry. Check it out. It's a walk-in pantry. You got space for everything that you want to put here. Okay? Those football games, or any party you're gonna do, or if you like to buy in quantities like Costco, you got a lot of space to put stuff here. Okay. And here you got a table. You can have your breakfast right here next to the kitchen. That's very nice. Okay. Tell me in your comments below what you think about the layout, to see if it's true that, you know, a lot of people like this layout. I would like to hear from you. What do you think about the layout? Okay. One of the nice things here, it's like in Florida, when it turns October, November, the weather changes. Okay. So check out this big humongous sliding door here. What happens during the nice weather, people tend to turn off the air conditioning and open their windows. So you could actually open this whole door and it will hide behind that wall over there. So this room becomes part of your oasis outside. Okay, let's go outside and see it from outside. Okay, here we are. Check this place out. Let's stand over here in the corner so I can show you. Over here, you got this nice area to sit down and relax. And actually right there on the wall here, you got your hookup for your TV right there. And check out how big this place is here. It's humongous. Over there you got your table. So in the morning you could come out and read your paper, have your coffee. And here's what I was telling you about the doors. All those doors, they slide into this area right here. And they all go behind this wall. So that way your living room becomes part of all this area here. Okay? And let me show you the pool. Very nice. I love the color combination. Very Florida. Check this, how beautiful this is. Over here you got your steps to go down. And you got your waterfall over there. And check out the preserve behind. It is just beautiful here. And over there you got your chair for sunbathing. Really nice. Well, I'm done with the video filming this house. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. You can call us at 239-410-7372. We'll be glad to help you. We'll help you, we'll give you the idea of the price and all that. Just give us a call. And remember to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. I'll be doing other communities coming soon. So just hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to be showing you what Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida has to offer in new construction and resales and news, also things that are happening. Okay, so hope you subscribe, hope you enjoy this video, and see you on the next one.